there, Rayyan. Today we are diving into the LeetCode camp problem 434. Number of segments in a string. So, ever wondered how to count words in a string without using dot split? In this quick guide, I will be showing you how to break down the problem and solve it efficiently. Let's jump right into coding. So let's start to solve our question 434 question about the number of segments in a string. So first of all, we understand the question carefully, as then we'll be dive into the solving. Okay, so let's understand it. So it is saying me, it is giving me a one string by the name of s. It is giving me a one string by the name of s, and we want to return the number of segments in a string. Means how many number of segments is in our string. Okay, so we want to return this. So a segment, please highlight it a segment. Okay, by the mistake I highlighted A also and give the color to it black. A segment is defined to be a contiguous sequence of non-space characters from non-space characters. Okay. Now, a segment is defined to be a contiguous or sequence of non-space characters. Okay, and our task is in today's video we return the number of segments in a string. That's our task. Return the number of segments in the string. Okay, now in the case one, here he created a string by the name of s. Like I have told you, here it is giving me one string by the name of s. Now in which he wrote in hello comma my name is John. The output has been coming 5 because the 5 segments are, there are 5 segments. How many segments? 5 segments. Let me count. Hello is the first segment, my is the first segment, 2, then 3, name is a third segment, is a fourth segment, John is a fifth segment. So that is where the output has been coming 5. So if you see the second case, in the second case the same as here he created one string by the name of s in which he wrote it down hello. So there is only one segment. So that is where the output has been coming 1 only. If I write here hello my, so now there is coming 2 segment. If I write one more thing like name is Rayyan, so now if I count this, so now like 1 hello, then my 2, then name 3, and is 4, and then Rayyan 5. So there is output income 5. So this is how we want to do like this. So in our case 1, our output will become 1. Okay, sorry, our case 1 our output will become 5, and in our case 2 our output will become 1. And these are the constants which we have used to solve this question. If you want to use this, we use this. Okay, so but anyways, let's try to solve this question. I have understood the question carefully. So now first of all, let me start a timer of it. So now when I start the timer, so let's start to solve it. So like all the people know, we whenever we write a solution, so we are starting from start. Okay, and now from starting we define a one class of a solution. Like all the people know which people are solving LeetCode camp questions daily basis. So all the people know in every solution you must write you must create a class of a solution, or it is already be created. Okay, now it is a rule of LeetCode camp, just like that. Okay, so now I write here def keyword. So this is also the main thing. This is also the main thing in the LeetCode camp. In the LeetCode camp solutions, it has been come already. It has been written. Whenever you open any solution, so it has been opened already. Okay, so we write here count segments. I am writing this, but in your LeetCode camp solution, it has been also already written down. It LeetCode camp has written already it. Okay, but I am writing that because for your understanding, if in the some people solution this has been not written, so you will be right from here. So I'm writing self comma s, then I'm converting why I write here str, because s is a one string, so that's why. So I'm writing here int. Okay, means integer, like all the people know. So now here I'm now first of all I define here count equals to 0. So here I initialize the segment count to 0. In this fourth line. Okay, enter press, enter press. So I'm writing here for loop. I'm defining here for loop in which I define I in range, and now here I found the length of our s string. Now semicolon, then enter. So when I do this, so I'm here, if the current character is, sorry, here I define one more comment. Here what I comment define, I define here I iterate, over each character in the string, in this 7 line. Now here I am writing if the current character is not a space and the previous character is a space, or it's the first character. Now here I am writing comma and then enter. Now I am writing here increment. I am writing increment the count. Perfect. Now here I define a one comment. So here I define if statement as, then in the square bracket I am writing I, then this sign, then equals to, then semicolon, then end, and then you write here I equals to 0, or as square bracket I minus 1, then equals to semicolon, and then give the space from here, here, and then semicolon count. When you define it, this semicolon, then count plus equals to 1, then enter, backspace. Now here you return the segment count, then enter. Now here I am returning the count, means here I am returning the output. So I have written all the code. So let's see the output of this code. So first of all, let me run this code and let's see the running code. The running code is correct or not. So the running code, the error has been coming in which line? The error has been coming. Okay, sorry. Let's see which type of error has been coming on this code. In the class solution, there is coming any error. So anyways, let's remove this. Okay, by the mistake you write a semicolon, so remove this right here as this comma, and now let's see the running code. So now when you run it, so now the running code is correct. Here you can see it. Our case 1 has been also be accepted. Our case 2 is also be accepted. In our case 1, the output has becoming 5, and my also output has becoming 5. In the case 2, the expected output is 1, my also output is becoming the 1. So let's see the summation of this code. So when I submit this code, the summation of this code is also be correct. Here you can see it, and we solve it in the 0 milliseconds, and we beat 100% people, means in the first position I have become. Okay, so easily. Yes, so I hope you enjoyed this video. In today's video we solved 434 questions by the number of segments in a string. If you enjoy this video, if you like this video, so please like this video, share, friends, and subscribe to my channel to get to all the notification bell also, so you know some of these type of videos on the channel. So but anyways, let's meet you in the next class, and next for amazing class like that type of videos on the channel, on the LeetCode Camp channel. So now for today, goodbye.